Teenager arrested after knife attack on 12-year-old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. A 16-year-old girl was arrested and charged following the stabbing of a 12-year-old relative in Carey Park, Trelawney on Wednesday, February 14. Reports from the Falmouth police are that around 4 p.m., both girls were at home when the accused used a ratchet knife to stab the complainant in the back, and the teenager subsequently stabbed her several times in the upper part of her body before fleeing the scene. The police were alerted and the complainant was assisted to hospital where she was admitted. The accused later turned herself into the Duncan police station where she was subsequently charged with wounding with intent. Her court date is to be finalized. The police investigation continues. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.